very good morning to you all.
Good morning.
I now request our Honorable Director General Dr. S.K. Tamutia sir to host the flag and formally declare the Southern Navy 2K19 open. Beloved Director General Dr. S.K. Tamutia sir to administer the pledge and wish the students. Sir, please.
Come friends, we'll start with the oath. I will say and you will please, all of you will repeat.
Raise your hand. Raise your hands.
I say your name. Declare now that I am a citizen soldier. I will relentlessly fight terrorism, corruption, evil effects of pollution, caste, social discrimination, and global warming. I will uphold the honor and the dignity of my country, state, and community. I will endeavor to bring cheer and smile to the disadvantaged, especially children, women, and elders. God bless my country. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Once again, I welcome you all to the Southern Navy 2K19. A very good morning to all of you. It's our tradition to sing Bhavan Santam before starting any formal event. Now I request you all to rise and sing Bhavan Santam together.
जय
kindly take your seats.
समस्तों को नमस्कार. It is wonderful to have all of you gathered for this very unique event. On behalf of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Bhubaneswar, and also Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, we have 121 centers all over India and 9 abroad. So on behalf of the entire Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan family, I welcome all the participants who have come from different colleges of Bhubaneswar. I'll just tell you, just read out a little bit, just in 1 minute time. If you do that, you have control over yourself. Take care of your thoughts. The action starts in the mind. When you think something, that action is already performed. You may speak it, something out. You may do it, but the first action is there. Take care of your thoughts, because they become your words. Take care of your words, because they will become action. Take care of your action, because they will become your habits. Take care of your habits, because they will form your character. Take care of your character, because they will form your destiny. And your destiny will be your life. That is the only message I want to give you people. Follow it and you will be happy. And thank you. Jai Hind and all the best for the seminar. Go ahead, enjoy yourself, learn from each other.
Like Stockmaster, Trade War, Utkarsh, Idea Presentation, The Boss, The Ultimate CEO, The Bat Show, The Nukkad Natak, Mindhunter, Treasure Hunt. The Boss, The Ultimate CEO is whose talent yet to explore their big minds but never being tapped. Stockmaster is a competition which will capture the excitement of real-time trading on the stock market. The objective is to maximize this amount by intelligently and smartly investing in the virtual stock market. Utkarsh, or the Idea Presentation, is the platform to explore your innovative ideas and the ability to present the same. The Match Show, the Nukkad Natak, the intention is to deliver a social or valuable message with the help of their acting skills. Mindhunter, it teaches teamwork. It is about finding the hidden resources, collecting clues, dots, making link to find the solution. Now I request all the participants of Stockmaster to assemble in the PGP1 classroom, 2nd floor. Utkarsh prelim round will be held in AB Hall, 1st floor. And the prelim round for the boss competition will be held in this hall, that is the Munshi Hall. I would like to request all the buddies to coordinate your members. That's all. Thank you. Wish you all a bright and blissful day ahead.
So now I would like to describe all the rules and regulations of this event. First, we will provide you one newspaper. The main sponsor for this program is the Business Standard, and the topics are from the newspaper which are written in the cheat papers. Then the topics include like political, economy, public affairs, stock markets, etc. Each team will pick up one sheet paper. Accordingly, you need to cut the info from that newspaper and paste it on the drawing sheet. And it should be the theme based. Every accessories will be provided to you. Then, for making this and preparing all this, you will be provided 30 minutes. Then, to discuss with your co-partners about the concept, you will be given 15 minutes. Then, totally it's 45 minutes. After that, you need to present it in front of the judges. On the basis of your concept and presentation, the final result will be declared. Now, I would like to call the team members to come and pick up the cheat papers. Thank you.
the chart papers. You can start by 12. Now it's 11:55 and we can wind up by 12:45.
Of demonetization that we have all of a sudden faced in 2016, actually is stated clearly. So what do we exactly mean by cashless economy? Is it a complete picture of, like, we are not using paper at all, or it is a complete picture of a safer economy? So what I feel about it is, well, it has pros and cons. We have seen the pros and cons. Initially we faced many problems, but there are many. If I talk about the benefits, we have been benefited until now, till date we are getting benefited. So yes.
To this I would add that